Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Let's do a quick cryptocurrency update. Today is August 28th. We're going to be going through all of the cryptocurrency news, so make sure to stay tuned, hit that retweet, and let's get into the video. And I must say, guys, for everybody that has been investing in the cryptocurrency space in 2024, it's been pretty exciting, right? But since March of 2024, it has been very, very boring. Crypto currently trading at a $2.1 trillion global cryptocurrency market cap. Bitcoin is at $59,000, Ethereum $2,500, BNB $539, and we have Solana at $146. Now, when we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see that we're down about 12% on the month. We had a $69,000 Bitcoin towards the end of July. That is when Donald Trump appeared at the Bitcoin conference. About 1 week after that, this is what we call volatility. From almost $70,000 Bitcoin all the way below $50,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin lost $20,000 in price. And then a nice little recovery. We thought we made it out. And earlier this week, 2 days ago, we had a $65,000 Bitcoin. And then within 2 days, we were back down below 60K. And this happened last night, guys. It was a massive red candle. Over $110 million were liquidated from the cryptocurrency markets in the past 60 minutes. So not really sure what happened. There wasn't any major news that was at least public, right? There might have been some stuff privately and some institutions dumped on us, but $110 million dumped in 60 minutes is wild. But if you guys have been watching my content, you understand that I am a perma bull. So anytime that the markets do correct, right? I do believe that we are in the midst of a bull run. I do believe that all-time highs are coming for a lot of altcoins, Bitcoin, and a lot of meme coins. And I do believe when the markets do correct that it's a better time to put more money in and dollar cost average into your higher conviction plays. Now let's take a look here at Ethereum as well. So for the most part, when it comes to markets, my predictions are usually correct, right? Or they sometimes hit. But towards the end of July, obviously we saw the ETFs were approved. We saw a nice little pump. I was expecting a dump after the ETFs went live because that's what we saw with Bitcoin. That's kind of the buy the rumor, sell the news event that we see here in the crypto space. ETH dumped all the way down below 2,200, and we didn't really see too much of a recovery for Ethereum yet. In the month of August, we did see a $2,800 ETH, and then last night, along with Bitcoin, when $110 million was wiped out in about 60 minutes, we did see ETH take a hit down to $2,400 today. ETH is one of my top holdings, and I still do believe that it's going to have an incredible 2025 bull run. Look, I don't have an exact price prediction, but I do think that we could see an $8,000 to a $10,000 ETH. But a lot of that just depends on what's taking place in the global cryptocurrency market and the entire world for that fact. Now, there are about 3 reasons why I think that we're having these little market corrections, even though we are in the midst of a bull run. If you look at previous cycles, anytime that we have had a Bitcoin halving, you've seen the price pump, and then we've seen consolidation for quite some time. So the consolidation here is normal, and usually what happens after consolidation is the next leg up. We also have seen a lot of uncertainty when it comes to Iran and Israel. Obviously, people are still expecting a strike from Iran, and a lot of people are saying that World War III could be looming. And then here in America, there is still a lot of uncertainty about the election, which takes place in about 68 days. So here's a look at one of the polls from The Economist. I should say I'm showing this poll. I never look at polls. I don't really think that polls are true. I've never taken a poll. I don't know anyone that's taken a poll, but some of these polls are showing that Kamala is winning 48% to Trump's 45%. So crypto definitely doesn't like wars. We saw that back in 2022 when Russia invaded Ukraine. And when it comes to the US elections, one candidate is pretty pro-crypto, talking about Bitcoin at the Bitcoin conference, and then the other candidate hasn't really said too much, at least recently, about cryptocurrency. Since March, since we had all-time highs, it has been very boring in the crypto space, but I do believe that the bull run is still here. We are in the midst of the bull run. If you've been through previous cycles, you understand that this is normal. These consolidation periods are normal. Gives whales a better chance to take profits, gives people a better chance to enter the markets that were waiting for better prices. And I do believe that all-time highs are coming soon. We saw meme coins run back in December and January. I do believe that we will see altcoins start to rip towards the end of 2024. So that's the video, guys. Quick cryptocurrency update. I'm not worried. I'm not panicked. When the markets dip, I put more money in, and the bull run is still here, in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Make sure to retweet this video, share it online, hit that like button, and as always, we'll see you guys all in the next episode.